Oh my gosh, you guys. 100 views, I can't believe my eyes. Pfft, time for an update on the shields that I make in desk size. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lisa and this is my stained glass journey. I am shocked that my video of my desk shield mock-up has 100 views at the time I'm recording this, so probably more by the time this video is uploaded. I am so incredibly excited that so many people have viewed that video. I wanted to make an update showing you how I am actually making the desk shields after comparing them to a desk in my actual classroom. So I actually just went into Target and they are completely out of shower curtains. Completely out of shower curtains. And I wonder if that's because people are also making these shields as well. So I am so excited to show you my updates. Here we go. Okay, so this whole entire process starts with a few things that you need. You need a template. I will give you these measurements in just a second. You need a utility knife or something sharp to cut with, a pencil to mark from your template, and then you also need, can't find it right now, but that's okay, that happens, shower curtain, tape, duct tape. Done, let me push you back a little so you can see. Is something that looks like this. This I still have to put duct tape along the side. It's kind of not finished yet, but I like this design the best from where I started because when the students are using it, they can just fold it out on their desk and they are protected at home. When they are not using it, they can clean it up, clean it first, and then they can just fold it up and put it on the side of their desk. If you saw my mock-up video, this is a little bit different. It's a little bit smaller. My mock-up was a little bit too big. What I did was to make my large part, so this middle section, the one that covers the students, that sits at the front of the desk, it is actually 22.5 inches. Yep, 19 inches tall. So I actually have seen this done with 20 inches. So what you will do is you will measure 22 inches across and 19, let's say 19 and a half up. Panels are 17 and a half inches by 19 and a quarter. So 17 and a half, 19 and a quarter, you could always go a little bit bigger, you could adjust it. What would this do with an elementary desk? I wonder. We have what I think is your pretty standard elementary desk. This actually came from the school where my husband and I both went in elementary school, and it was picked up for us. We actually met in second grade at our school. I'm going to take my template for middle school and see how it fares on an elementary desk. Measurement. So it actually would work for an elementary size student desk. Let me pick you up so you can see. There's tons of room for them to work still, and it might even be perfect if you didn't want to build the sides and just have the front. You could attach the front with a couple pieces of Velcro, so that way you have like a sneeze guard for your students. And let's get to making one from beginning to end. And from what I took out of it, I am actually going to hold up my side template. Where did my side template go? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to take my side template, which is just basically the same thing with just an 1.5 inch border. I've had people tell me that they were doing 2 inches, but for cutting out the border, I'm just going to put this template over it. It's already the exact same size, so I'm just going to trace this out, cut it out, get my side panels, and onto the shower curtain. Alright, front panel done, 2 side panels done, and I will be honest that sometimes I still look at these even after making so many, and I'm like, oh, wait, what was I thinking? Oh yeah, that's right, because when you turn them, when you put them that way, they almost form like a little trifold, and you can open it up and close it, which is exactly what I want for my... Alright, so I just want to show you this. I have just done one of them. So what I actually do, I'll show you the back side. I actually take clear tape and I lay the shower curtain over the template, cut out so that I have enough space to tape like halfway on, approximately. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. I know it's looking kind of flimsy, but trust me, it's gonna be much better once we get it all duct taped up. Tell me to act my age. Well, I am. I have my front, I have my 2 sides, and now all I need is some duct tape. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, welcome back, new day. So I am going to take my 3 templates, my front and my 2 sides, and I am going to put duct tape on half. So I put it so that it covers half of both sides. So let me show you what that looks like. Alright everyone, so I have all 4 sides done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the duct tape and I am going to run it down each side so that it kind of covers up the cardboard and makes a frame for the desk shield or the sneeze guard. Alright everyone, got the front. Need to do the same thing on the back. Okay, now to make the spine, top, middle, bottom, and then bridge the 2. With a line of duct tape on both sides. And there you go, a desk shield sneeze guard for desks that will fit for the students. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting me and my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you do make one, I would love to know how it went in the comments down below. And thank you so much. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye.